Hello everyone, my name's Forrest McGill and I'm a curator at the Asian Art Museum. Today I'd like to share an artifact on the goddess Lakshmi and the Diwali festival. The joyous autumn festival of Diwali is celebrated by hundreds of millions of people in the Indian subcontinent and around the world. It spans 5 days, the middle day being emphasized. Diwali is a shortening of Deepavali, meaning a row of lamps. The Indian scholar Vasudha Narayanan describes the various interpretations of Diwali in different areas and among different groups, but notes that all the stories associated with Diwali, however, are connected with the victory of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and goodness over evil. In many traditions, a focus is on Lakshmi, the goddess of good fortune, prosperity, and joy, and the middle day of Diwali is dedicated to her. Lakshmi has been depicted for untold centuries as a beautiful woman accompanied by elephants that pour water over or around her in homage. During Diwali celebrations in many places, she's invited into homes that have been specially cleaned, decorated, and lighted with lamps to welcome her and the good fortune she may bestow. This carved wooden panel would have been installed over a door. Lakshmi and the elephants are flanked by other deities. This photo shows where such a Lakshmi panel might have been positioned over a door. We hope the Diwali season brings health, prosperity, and good fortune to everyone. Thank you for viewing this artifact.